ever taken a look at what your daily coffee habit could be costing you on a yearly basis? Let's take a look. Here I have pulled up the sorted calculator, and I have assumed that you're spending $5 a day on average on coffees. I've also assumed an interest rate of 2.5%. So over 1 year, that is a whopping $1,300 by just putting $5 away. That's how much you're spending on potentially habits, being things like coffees. It's quite interesting, isn't it? So if you invested that money at a nominal rate of 2.5%, you would have in fact earned yourself $16. Obviously, there's $1,300 that's come out of your own pocket. Let's put that over a 5-year period and have a look. We will keep everything else the same. So over 5 years, you would have saved yourself $6,500. That is incredible how much $5 a day, a daily habit of $5 can add up over 5 years to $6,500. Over that time frame, you would have earned $417 in interest. So almost $7,000. To me, that is whopping. Let's just put that out further and say even 10 years and just see how that looks. Look at that. Your daily habit of $5 a day is $13,000 over 10 years, which adds up to interest of $1,742, giving you a total of $14,742. Let me ask you, what could you do with that money? What could you do with $14,500 if instead of spending it on coffees on a daily basis, you actually put that money aside into some sort of savings account? I'd love to hear what you think.